我们去季检词，有个人去季检的时候写问号。
I was researching for yeah. Yeah. Kyoto, I plan to go to Arashiyama, Ashirama or Arashiyama, okay, I forgot. Yeah, it's a place you can do forest with some temples, a lot of